everyone, I'm going to show you how to change default address on Temu. So to start, open Temu app and go to you at the bottom. Now in here, look for addresses and tap on that. And you will see your address in here. So at the bottom, you have delete, copy, and edit. Now what you need to do is to click on edit. So here you can change your country origin. Just tap on this arrow and choose your region. You can also use the search bar. Once done, click on X. And down here, you can change your first name, last name, and you need to add your phone number. And then below that, this is where you can change your address. So it's under region or province, city, and barangay. So click on that and search for your address. Now, once you do that, click on X. And here at the bottom, you can change your unit, house, building number, or street name. So just click on X and update the address. Now, once done, click on Save. And as you can see, your address has been updated. If you want to add a new address, just click on Add a new address at the bottom and put in your region, your name, your full address, your department, province, district, your postal code, and your phone number. And you may have to add your ID number and click on save. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.